and today I'm going to talk to you about the Instant Pot Duo Crisp and how you can still make your own yoghurt despite the fact it hasn't got a yoghurt button on there. So I've made some fresh yoghurt here, and in this method I'm going to make it in the jar. So once it's made, you can put it right into the fridge and use it in whatever way you like. And there's nothing like homemade yoghurt. It's so much more creamy, it's healthier, you don't need to add sugar, and it's really delicious. And on top of that, if you make your own, you can either make it as I have now, so just a normal kind of textured yoghurt. It is quite thick. And then if you want a more Greek style yoghurt, a thicker yoghurt, you can actually strain your yoghurt. But I'm using this method because I'm not getting into any straining. I just want a nice kind of thick yoghurt in the fridge, ready to go. So let's show you how I do it. So that's how you can make yoghurt in the Instant Pot Duo Crisp. So I hope that's reassured you if you're a new owner. And on this channel you'll find lots more videos about the Instant Pot and the Instant Pot Duo Crisp. So do subscribe, and I'll be back again soon with another video.